President Francis Escudero raised a concern regarding the BARM election code and the IRR. The Senate leader pointed out that under the provision, appointed officials who filed their certificates of candidacy are considered resigned from office. Now, 35 members of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority have each filed a COC, with only 5 yet to do so. The senator already raised this concern to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Ibig sabihin, 35 sa 40 ay ipso facto deemed resigned na sa paghain lamang nila ng kanilang Certificate of Candidacy. Unang hakbang ito sa aking paniniwala ng pagkakaroon ng pantay at malinis na halalan sa darating na Mayo man o kung ipagpapaliban ito kung anong petsa man. Para sa akin, kaya ako nakipagpulong kay Pangulong Marcos upang sabihing mas importante ito bago natin simulang pag-usapan anumang pagpapaliban ng halalan.